Laban ni Maxine sa Beyond the Call of Duty.
Ako si Bungo. Ako si alias Bungo.
Kamusta po yung pag-acting ni Maxine?
She's a very, very good actress. Sumasabay sa akin, hindi naman nagpahuli. And she's very, very, para siyang sponge. So whenever we talk about a scene and we try to do a good collaboration, she absorbs what I say. And in return naman, makikita nyo naman yung yung combination sa pelikula ng raw talent niya at saka yung skill sets ko. So when the two meet sa loob ng eksena, medyo explosive talaga. And remember, Maxine is a small girl.
Yeah, pero
sinabayan niya ako.
Tibay niya. Pero kayo po,
ako.
ano bang background nyo? Nag-wrestling ba kayo or boxing before or something?
I did a lot of disciplines before. Kaya lang kasi puro first stages lang. Puro white belt. Jack of all trades, master of none.
Oo nga, nakakatakot yung role mo. Talagang, ang lupit mo rin na kontrabida.
Oy, salamat po naman. It's a very, very humbling
saka yung movie nyo talagang pang-international yung quality. Pati yung filming, yung
alam nyo, kayo pala nga nagsasabi niyan. Thank you.
For me, I think it was really good. Even the storyline, walang boring parts.
Oy, thank you very much.
Yeah,
well, our director and scriptwriter, si Direct J.R. Olinares, really spent time, years actually, tapos may consultation pa kami with PNP kung legal yung mga gagawin namin. Kaya we were able to use the actual uniforms, the actual resources from maritime to air to land, lahat yung nagamit namin. Even the SWAT team is authentic.
So you're in the birthday of Mafi. Paano?
Right now,
kasama mo ba siya sa mga ibang movies?
Mafi is kasama ko sa Tuesday Group.
Ah, talaga? Yeah. That's ka pala.
Ano siya? Kasama siya ng sister ko. I created a group for them called Gals on the Move. Sa 6 sila. And Mafi was one of them.
Pero nasa Dats ka ba rin? Dati?
Well, wala nang Dats ngayon.
Before.
Oo naman. Even before my sister, yes.
Wow.
So,
classic Dats Entertainment ka pala, sir.
Yes, sir. Kaya maganda training namin, all because of Kuya Germs.
Wow. Yeah. I used to watch it talaga before.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Salamat
Bye-bye.
po.